You are now watching Doorbell News.
A teenager from Nebraska saved his family's house from getting burned down, and it was all thanks to the motion notification that he received from his Ring Doorbell app. I read a lot of comments of people who say video doorbells are useless, but that's far from true. Video doorbells and home security cameras aren't just useful for catching criminals. They're also useful for checking on your most valuable possessions, which to most people is their family and home. This is a perfect example of how video doorbells are helping homeowners sleep easy at night. The parents of the boy were away on vacation and were totally unaware of the wildfire taking place outside of their home. Had their 18-year-old son not been paying attention to his Ring app alert, the wildfire could have easily spread to their house and caused irreplaceable damage. Here's the video from the mother, Misty Slake.
Go, Ash.
The house is good.
Okay.
The house is good.
Good.
Yeah. It burns off pretty much so they said that we're all good.
Okay. Good. Good deal. Are you alright? You feel okay?
Yeah, it was a pretty shocking thing when I got a notification from the Ring Doorbell. And I looked out the window and I saw just hellfire.
Wow.
But yeah, they got out pretty fast, so. So yeah.
We're happy that their home is okay, and we salute their son.
Thanks for watching Doorbell News. Subscribe today.
Hide your Ring camera. Turn your Ring cam into a hidden camera with Cam Masker. Compatible with Ring Indoor Cam, Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery, and Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam. Cam Masker hides your Ring camera without interfering with its various functions. Order yours today at cammasker.com. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam.